Hey guys, welcome back to the JG Zone. And today I'll be talking to you about the new updated monetization rules for YouTube. So please feel free to rewind and pause this video as much as you need, because I'll be showing you exactly what they are. But before I get too far, I'm going to go ahead and step out of the way and show you exactly where you can find it at, so you're always in the loop and you're always up to date. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to YouTube.com. Make sure you access this from a desktop. You can access this from your mobile phone, but make sure you switch it to full website view instead of mobile view. Next, you want to go ahead and sign in to your current YouTube channel. Once you've signed in, go ahead and go to your Creator Studio. Then you want to go over to where it says channel. This will probably be located on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on the arrow where it has a drop. Under the channel tab, you'll see the word monetization. If you click on monetization, here you'll find everything you need to know about your channel. You'll find the new monetization rules and requirements. You can see exactly how many viewing hours you have in the past 12 months. You could even see your subscriber count. You could even see your monetization application status. This is a great tool, a great page to come without having to go through several different parts of your YouTube channel. You can go to this one page and find out everything you need to know about your monetization. Alright, if I went a little too fast, please feel free to go back and pause this video as much as you need. And by the way, before you say anything, yes, you can Google it. I know you're probably thinking it. Yeah, you can Google it. But the thing about it is, if you Google it, Google will tell you what the new monetization rules are, but it'll only give you the general description of what the new rules are. If you want an in-depth view of what's going on with your current channel and what the rules are, this is the best way to go without having to get just a general description. The new rules are, it used to be you had to have 10,000 views. That was what the update was, 10,000 views on your channel. Well, YouTube has since upgraded that again. They're trying to appease the content creators as well as the sponsors. Well, the new rules are now you got to have 4,000 viewing hours within the past 12 months, and you got to have 1,000 subscribers. Yes, it sounds like a lot, and to me, depending on when you're watching this video, either my channel it's a small channel right now, or it was a small channel. But if you kind of break it down a little bit, 4,000 viewing hours, that's roughly about 334 viewing hours per month. If your channel exceeds that amount by a long shot, then you have nothing to worry about, then you're pretty good. But for a smaller YouTuber, that means you got a lot of work ahead of you. Like I said again, depending on when you're watching this video, I got a lot of work ahead of myself. That means you have to be vigilant and constantly working on your channel, because as you can see, this is the third time the rules has changed. So that's in the rules as of now. Who knows what the rules may be again, what it may change to. So always be up to date with the new YouTube's policies and the rules. Again, this is the best way to go to find it at. I hope this video helped you guys out. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. And as always, thank you for visiting the JG Zone.